Hey guys, this is assignment of math. Here, here I am doing all the math like mathematics, taco. You need the assignment, that link in the description. Please click there, go description and click the link. See how many assignment in there. That's very important assignment. If you need more assignment like that, you need to subscribe my channel. I'm always uploading this video like assignment, how to make assignment, how to submit assignment. I'm not learn English much, but I say English not little bit. You please subscribe my channel and share my channel. And do you know which matter do you not understand? Comment in description.